Hello everyone, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Breakers.tv, and tonight is Friday, February the 24th, and we are breaking autographed football jerseys. This is a two-box break. It's box 56 of 100 in the HP Series 7 and one of the Boom boxes. We did random team sales, you can see on the left here. We've already randomized the teams and customers. We then alphabetized them so the customers could see who they had a bit easier. Gave them ample opportunity to trade. Everything's been entered. Pop, here we goes. Well, it is not Mr. Y.A. Tittle, but it is Mr. Floyd Little. Yep. Not a till, but a little. Or I should say a little, not a tittle. Alright, who's got Denver? Denver. That's going to be NES. Alright, here we go. Boombox. We'll see. Hoping for something nice, or at least something different. Pulled the Roddy White a little bit ago. That was different. Well, I got it in upside down, darn it. Alright. There you go, folks. Y'all know what that is? That is a Mr. Blake Bortles. We've hit a lot of Jags already, guys. And not only have we hit a lot of Jags, but we've hit a lot of authentic Jags, guys. It's a beauty of a jersey, folks. It's got the tags, everything. This here is a beautiful jersey, guys. Or go buy them on that all day, and I'll buy them for you for double that, all right? You'll double your money. All right, folks. There you go. That is the Jags head. Who hits the Jags? Jags. That is CCN. There you go, bud. Nice hit for you. Have a good one.